Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make dumpling or boy for your bouillon, your stew, your soup, whatever you want to make your dumpling for. Okay, today's video, it's really easy and it's quick. So without further ado, let's get started. Be sure you like the video if you like the video. If you enjoy the video, give it a like and also comment down below. Without further ado, let's begin. I am starting with some oil, some all-purpose flour, baking powder, and as well as some salt. I have about 4 ounces of water right here. Now we're going to get started. If you see my hands are moving in this video, is because I was talking while I was doing this video, but the audio turned out really bad, so that's why I am doing a voiceover. To get started, I am starting with my dry ingredients, which is the baking powder and as well as the salt. Now I am going to mix it until it's well combined. The ingredients and the measurement will be down below, so check it out, as well as the Island Vibe seasoning. Next, I am going to add my oil. Make sure you guys order your Island Vibe seasoning. The link will be down below, so check it out. I am going in with my water. I am going to add the water little by little because I don't want to add too much water. In that cup, I have about 4 ounces of water and I am using all of it. I know it was going to be enough, but I still had to measure myself and pace myself, add the water a little bit at a time. After that, you're going to need your dough really good, because that's what's going to help all the ingredients combine and give you that nice fluffy dough. So this is how your dough is supposed to look like. Once you're done, basically it is ready to make your dumpling. Now a lot of people do their dumpling differently. You can make it however shape you like. Me personally, I like the long shape because when it's round, I feel like the inside kind of, it's cooked, but it takes a long time to cook. So I am going to make it long. As you guys can see, I am flattening it a little bit so it's not too thick. I want the inside to cook as fast as possible, and yeah, that's what I am going to do. This is it, and feel free to make it as big as you want, because a lot of people like it big and thick and small, or as small as you want. This is the perfect size for me. After you're done, all you have to do now is add your dumpling to whatever you're adding it to. Today I am going to add it in my bean sauce, which is my sauce pois noir. I do have a video on it. If you're interested, I will leave the link down below. Check it out to see how to make your own sauce pois at home. It's really healthy and it tastes amazing. So I am going to add them in there and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Be sure you are subscribed if you're new, and do not forget to share the video. Leave your suggestion down below and check out the Island Vibe seasoning in the description box. When it comes out, you guys, this is how it's supposed to look, nice and fluffy. Let me know if you guys enjoy this video, and like I said, I'm running out of ideas, so leave me your suggestion down below, what you would like me to cook below. So leave them for me because I'm running out of ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye guys.